and you should be here. I know it's been a while. Last year I made a video. It was 5 reasons why it's a good thing to be a loner, and it's receiving a lot of traction. And I want to piggyback off of that video and share with you 5 ways you can be productive throughout quarantine, spending time alone, or finding new habits to be more productive. So that's what today's video is going to be based off. The one new habit I want you to try is the Pomodoro Technique. So the Pomodoro Technique is a time management method. You set your timer for a certain increment. It could be 25 minutes or 45 minutes, and then you only focus on that task for that set amount of time. No distractions, so that means put your phone away. Don't get on social media. After that timer goes off, you can check your phone and connect back with the world. But while that timer is on, get your task done, check it off your list, and move on. Habit number 2, writing everything down. Of course, I have a to-do list. I can't get anything done without a to-do list. Important tasks, I will write them down on a sticky note and stick them on my computer where I can see them. So as soon as I wake up in the morning and when I'm about to log into my computer, I see that task. Once I complete that task, I'll just take the sticky note and take it off of my computer. Even if it's a simple thought that comes to your mind, get it down on paper somewhere, because you will forget it. I do that a lot. I have an idea or I have a task I know we need to do. If I don't write it down at that exact moment, I'll forget about it. It takes like 50 days, 100 days for me to remember it. Tip number 3 to be more productive is to declutter, clean, and organize your home or apartment. I'm not sure about you guys, but when there's a lot of clutter or a mess in my apartment, it makes me feel very overwhelmed and distracted, as if something else is fighting for my attention. Sometimes I can't even sleep at night. I have trouble falling asleep if I know there's a mess in my apartment. I don't know if there's scientific evidence to support my correlation, but I feel much more productive when my apartment is clean, when my work area is clean. That means cleaning your digital space. Overall, having a decluttered space just gives you a breath of fresh air, and you can focus on what you need to focus on without worrying about background noise. So tip number 4 to be more productive, especially throughout quarantine, is to find your productivity hours. Find that time period where you are the most motivated. I try to conform to waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning and getting my tasks done, but I found that there are times when I have the tiniest bit of energy, and it may be 2 o'clock in the morning, it may be 9 o'clock at night. For my university, my productivity hours were from 9 to around 4 a.m. That's the work for me. So unless your career or the way you provide forces you to wake up at a certain time, I would highly suggest finding your productivity hours. I don't care if it's 9 o'clock at night, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Whatever time works for you is going to get your task done. So give it a shot and let me know how it goes. Last but not least, and probably most important, tip number 5 is to be very specific with how you spend the first 10 minutes and the last 10 minutes of your day and night. When you wake up in the morning, do not make yourself depressed by looking at all of the drama on social media. When you wake up in the morning, take that time for you. Gratitude is number 1. Practice gratitude.
Show yourself a little bit of love, a little bit of kindness.
And that really helps with productivity, because if you can't be grateful for what you have now, how can you ever be grateful for what you're going to accomplish in the future? So in the morning time, for those first 10 minutes, focus on yourself. Work out, stretch, practice gratitude, make some breakfast, drink your water, and then, I guess, get on social media. Make sure that the last 10 minutes of your day are very, very self-fulfilling, make you feel uplifted and positive. That way, throughout your sleep, subconsciously, you are programming positive and loving thoughts into your subconscious mind. Be very specific with how you spend the first and last 10 minutes of your day. Yeah, so I hope that these 5 tips on how to be more productive can help you all throughout your alone time, throughout your day in quarantine. And let me know if any of my tips have worked for you. Thank you for listening. Bye.